have been struggling with constant fatigue, sugar cravings even after eating, weight gain around your belly area, or if you are just trying to feel better in your body, understanding and reversing insulin resistance could be the game changer for your health. Hi everyone, today I want to talk to you about something that's affecting millions of people, yet most of them have no idea it's even happening, and that's insulin resistance. So let's start at the beginning. What exactly is insulin? Insulin is a hormone made by your pancreas. Think of it like your body's sugar manager. Whenever you eat a food or anything, especially carbohydrates, your body's blood sugar rises. Insulin's job is to take that sugar and move it around your cells so your body can use it. In simple words, insulin acts as a key. It unlocks the doors of your cells. Now here is where the problem starts. When we are constantly eating, especially processed carbs, sugary snacks, the body produces more and more of insulin. Over time, your cells starts ignoring insulin signals. Even though there is insulin in your body, it's not working properly. Your blood sugar stays high and your pancreas keeps pushing out more insulin. And what does that do to you? You feel tired even after eating. You get hungry 2 hours later. You struggle with brain fog, mood swings, for many women, irregular periods or PCOS symptoms. Over time, insulin resistance can lead to type 2 diabetes, fatty liver, high cholesterol, and even heart disease. So why does insulin resistance happen? It's usually not just one bad meal. It's an accumulation of unhealthy habits. Eating too much of sugar, refined carbs, snacking all the time, sitting for long hours, sleeping poorly, chronically stressed, and carrying extra fat around your belly. All of these add up and make your cell resistance to insulin over time. Now, how do you know if you might be insulin resistant? Some common signs include always feeling tired, constant craving of sweets, difficulty in losing weight around the belly, brain fog, frequent urination, and even skin tags and dark patches around your neck, underarms. Blood tests like fasting insulin, HbA1c, or a test called HOMAIR can help confirm it. A high triglyceride to HDL ratio can also be a red flag. The good news is you can reverse insulin resistance naturally. Your body is incredibly smart and wants to heal, and you don't need fancy pills to fix it. Start by cutting down sugar, white carbs like breads, biscuits, and sugary drinks. Eat more real whole food, vegetables, healthy fats, and protein. Try intermittent fasting if it suits you. Even a 12 to 14 hours window without food can give your body a break. Move your body daily. Even a 30 minutes walk after meal can make a big difference. Sleep well, reduce your stress, and stop grazing every 2 hours. Let your insulin rest too. Some supplements may support the healing process like berberine, inositol, magnesium, chromium, and alpha-lipoic acid. But remember, these are add-ons, not the magic fixes. The real healing comes from how you eat, live, and move every single day. If this video helped you, hit like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe. Drop a comment below if you would like me to make a video on what to eat in a day for insulin resistant. I would love to share that with you. Until then, stay healthy and remember that small, consistent changes can heal even the deepest root causes. Thank you.